How to change your App Store country to United Kingdom. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your App Store country to United Kingdom. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to open up your App Store. After you've opened up your App Store, make sure that you're logged in into your Apple ID. Now tap on the top right corner. After you tap on it, tap on your profile again. It can take some time to load depending on internet speed, so wait for it. Now after your setting loads, you will see an option called country/region. After you tap on it, you will now get to change your region or country. So just let it load and there you'll find an option that says change country or region. Tap on it and now you will get the list of countries. Now simply head over to United Kingdom. You can search for it. Now all of these are arranged in alphabetical order, so it's easy to find. Tap on United Kingdom after you find it. And after you tap on it, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. After doing that, if you want, you can add your payment method. And after that, you're basically done. After doing that, you are good to go. And now your App Store country is changed to United Kingdom. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.